To reach 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel and gain more subscribers, you can follow these strategies. Create quality content. Focus on producing high-quality videos that provide value to your target audience. Make sure your videos are engaging, informative, and well-produced. The better your content, the more likely people will watch and share it. Consistent uploading schedule. Develop a consistent schedule for uploading videos. This helps build anticipation and encourages viewers to subscribe so they don't miss any of your content. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions to improve your chances of appearing in search results. Research popular keywords in your niche and include them naturally in your content. Engaging thumbnails. Design visually appealing and attention-grabbing thumbnails for your videos. A compelling thumbnail can increase click-through rates and attract more viewers. Video SEO. Utilize search engine optimization (SEO) techniques for your videos. Include relevant tags, captions, and transcripts. This helps YouTube understand your content better and improves your visibility in search results. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche. Collaborative videos can expose your channel to a new audience and help you gain more subscribers. Cross-promote on social media. Promote your videos and channel on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Share snippets, teasers, or behind-the-scenes footage to generate interest and drive traffic to your channel. Encourage engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a loyal community. Playlists and end screens. Organize your videos into playlists to make it easier for viewers to navigate and watch related content. Utilize end screens and annotations to encourage viewers to watch more of your videos or subscribe to your channel. Promote your channel offline. Consider promoting your YouTube channel offline as well. Include your channel's URL on business cards, flyers, or merchandise, and mention it during any public speaking engagements or interviews. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. Focus on creating valuable content and engaging with your audience, and gradually, you'll see growth in watch hours and subscribers.